Okay, hi guys, today we're going to play Brawl Stars, and this game is actually pretty fun. I just started playing it, and yeah, I just finished the first game. I did it late. Okay, now let's start, chat. But guys, please like and subscribe. I'm trying to do live. See, I did hit live. Oh my god, it's an epic. Did I get? No, bruv. I got the worst thing that I could get. Yeah, guys, I tried to live stream, but I couldn't. Can you guys tell me how to? Because I have no idea how to. Okay, so guys, we just started and I hate El Primo users. Oh my goodness, like literally they can go to 10,000 health so easily, but thank god I have this character with like 1,200% like per hit. She's here. I know she's cooked. She's hella cooked. Okay, here we go. El Primo hater. Primo hater. No. Bro, what are they like? People like my cousins, they are like Team Sammy. Why? They literally just lost. They literally just lost and they're still like, nah, I win. They're like 20 million and we're like 22 million. Yeah. Like, basically we won. We won, baby, yeah. I didn't play the update. So I'm gonna trade my cousin 1 quadrillion next year for a chicken zombie. I know this might sound dumb, but guys, I'm trying to get it so badly. Like, I need that egg hatch, man. Like, I want it to be faster. That's why I hate El Primo users, okay? I hate them. Like, really, the most thing I hate. Okay. My health isn't that good, but I'm just gonna upgrade the character more. So I can get, like, more damage and more health. Yeah, I'm dead, yeah. Oh my goodness, guys. The last 2 videos really blow up. Like, 2,000 in a row? Like, no, like 2 videos, 1,000. Okay, that was insanely good. Like, I don't know how did I do that. That was just a simple edit. Guys. Okay. Yes. No. El Primo user. Hate it. Yes, can use it. Go, use it. Bro, I killed him. Oh my god. El Primo users. Yes. Like the first time I kill an El Primo user. Bro, El Primo these days is so hard to get. Like, the update ruined it. Oh, sheesh. No, we're losing. No, not. None of them. None of us. But, buddy, we are there. Da. Yes, we did it. Give me the ball. I'm right next to you. Brother. Amazing. Match over, baby. Yeah, bro. W teammate. Okay, so we killed a couple, like, no, 6, I mean. Now we're tier 5, thank goodness. And now let's play another game, and yes, okay, finally. Okay, so I'm saving for M's, yeah, because it's super good. Let me see if I can upgrade anybody. I can't upgrade, like, Pao. Didn't upgrade him since I got him. So it's pretty not coming clutch. You know, I could use it, yeah. We'll use it for this time. Like, I only have like 2 or 3 epics, something like this, man. But yeah, okay, this video, yeah, it's gonna be really good. 3, 2, 1. Yo, what? Does it have to be like this? Okay. Oh, it's like multiple arrows. It's like 8-bit, but arrows. I swear to God, it's like the copy paste. But I don't know its power, so yeah, we scored a goal. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh my god, its damage is not that good. Okay, what did the ability do? I did the ability, if you guys didn't see. What the? Oh, that's the ability that I did. I don't know what the hell it is, but it doesn't seem cool. Oh, what's the? Oh, So it's like a landmine. Oh. Buddy, you're cooked with landmines. Oh my god, I shot at the wrong side. But honestly, my team is cooking. I'm gonna score this. I'm gonna try. No way I scored this. Yeah, exactly. Like, she was really in front of me. Low level kinky. I think that's kinky like means Sigma in another language. Okay, sorry, but I have no idea what it means. Okay, kill. No, that's my teammate. Okay, 3, 2, 1. No, yes. No, yes. No, man. Okay. No. Oh, no, somebody's using 8-bit. Oh, it's my teammate. Oh, sorry. Sorry, teammate. Bro, Hank, give me. Hank, yes. Okay, sorry, Hank. Hank, I am so sorry. But he's a W. We got it back. We're winning. This is the last match. I have to win. Landmines. We won. Oh, thank gosh. We won. Let's go. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope I see you later. Goodbye.